We enjoy having boba tea, smoothies, and coffee on the go, yet disposable cups are not cool. After collecting feedback from over 15,000 users around the world, we came up with Elephant Cuppa. Say no to disposable products and switch to Elephant Cuppa today. It comes in different sizes and colors. You can bring your own straws anywhere. The unique spill-proof cap will keep your straw clean, and the cap will never go missing. Elephant Cuppa is 100% leak-proof, so you'll never spill your drinks again. What's better, it prevents dust from entering your drinks, and you can put it in your bag without any worries. Elephant Cuppa is made of a bio-based material, EcoZip, making it extremely durable, drop-proof, and shatter-resistant. Ideal for boba tea, juice, coffee, or any other drinks. You can also easily keep track of your water intake. Cleaning is fast and hassle-free. It's lighter than a mobile phone, ergonomically designed to be held with one hand, and fits in most cup holders. Reducing waste is easier than you think. Switch to Elephant Cuppa and start making a difference.